Here are pendulum exercises to complete post-rotator cuff surgery. Welcome or welcome back to Age Fit with Tess. My name is Tess, Physiotherapist. By the end of this video, you are going to know how to complete pendulum exercises post-rotator cuff surgery. Pendulum exercises are typically the first type of exercises you would be given by your physio to complete on your own. Typically, these exercises would be done from around the first week to around 6 weeks post-surgery. Make sure to join the Age Fit with Tess Facebook group to get further support with staying fit and active. To work with me one-on-one via consult or the Fit with Arthritis program, head to www.agefitwithtess.com. Let's get started. Starting with forward and backward. Holding on to the back of a chair or stable object, stand with your feet wide apart away from the chair so your arm is able to hang toward the ground completely relaxed. Bend your knees and move weight from one foot to the other to move your hips forward and backward. Your arm should follow the movement of your hips without having to activate your shoulder muscles. Make sure to focus on moving your hips rather than your arm, as this will assist in enabling your arm to relax. The second variation is side to side. This time, stand with your feet wide apart so you can move your hips side to side. Again, aim to focus on moving your hips. If your shoulder is relaxed, your arm should automatically follow the movement of your hips like a pendulum. Here we are changing views so you can see the movement from the front. Note that the movements I'm doing here are quite large to more easily demonstrate the motion. However, you may start off with smaller movements when in the earlier stages post-surgery. The third variation is anti-clockwise circles. Keeping your feet in the same position, move your hips in an anti-clockwise direction. Again, keeping your arm relaxed and allowing it to follow the movement of your hips. Typical sets and reps would be 1 to 3 sets of around 15 to 30 seconds each movement a few times per day. Generally, you are in a sling at this stage, so would take the sling off to do the exercises and put the sling back on when finished. The fourth variation is clockwise circles. This time, moving your hips in a clockwise direction. Remember to join the Age Fit with Tess Facebook group to get further support with staying fit and active. To work with me one-on-one via consult or the Fit with Arthritis program, head to www.agefitwithtess.com. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for the next video, where I'm going to show you range of motion and second stage exercises post-rotator cuff surgery. To continue to stay fit and active in the meantime, watch these 2 videos right here. See you next time.